Hello everyone, welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Harshita Arveli. So today we have Virendra with us. He is from Anandpur, Andhra Pradesh. He is placed in Tata Consultancy Services, that is TCS. So let's talk to him. Let's get to know more about the interview process. Hi Virendra,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good. Hope you're doing good.
Yeah, I'm good too. Okay, Virendra. So, firstly, I would like to congratulate you for getting placed in TCS with such an amazing package, Virendra.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's my pleasure.
Okay, so basically, we are making this video to help students, okay, whoever is trying to get placed in TCS.
Yeah, that's a
Yes.
good thing.
Yeah, that's what. It would be really helpful for them if you could share your experience with TCS. What you could do is you could tell the job role for which you are selected, the package, what was the eligibility criteria, and the whole interview process had how many rounds, and also the topics from which questions were asked in each round.
Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So, okay, let's get started. Please start, Virendra. Firstly, from which college are you, Virendra?
So, I'm Virendra. Basically, I'm from Anantalakshmi Institute of Technology and Sciences, which was located near Itkalpalli, Anantapuram. So,
Okay. So, which
I'm,
department are you from?
I'm from Electronics and Communication Engineering, ma'am.
Okay, so you are from EC. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
okay. Yes, please start, Virendra.
Yeah,
The
ma'am.
job role, the job
Yeah,
description,
ma'am.
package.
Basically, when I'm in third BTech, that's a semester, 3 2 semester, I got an opportunity to write thesis NQT Ninja role. So with that, with the God's grace, I got selected in written exam. So with that,
Okay.
I'll move on to the interview process. So which was held on
What was the job role, Virendra? TCS
that is
Ninja,
a
right?
system trainee engineer.
Assistant system
System
trainee engineer.
trainee
Okay,
engineer.
super, super. What was the package?
So 3.36 lakhs per annum, and
I don't
with
know.
that, besides that, we have the incentives also. So they'll conduct a CPS and camera proctored assessments. So if we
Okay.
clear on that, so they'll pay the amount as per our exam
Performance.
profile performance.
Okay.
So we'll get incentives also. So that's a
Mhm.
good thing about TCS. I'm very much excited to get a part in the TCS. So yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so what was the eligibility criteria?
Yeah, it's basically a person is being graduated from BTech should have a minimum 65% above in their
Okay.
academics.
Okay, throughout
Yeah, through
10th,
more. Yeah,
12th, and
ma'am.
all.
No, ma'am. They'll consider only about present
Present, only
what they
the
are.
BTech
Yeah,
score.
ma'am. Yeah,
Okay, okay. So when did you write the thesis NQT?
I think August 25th. I think that the morning slot. It's my
Okay,
slot is
August
morning.
25th, 2020. Correct?
2020.
Okay, okay. So when did you get to know the results?
Yeah, it's like September. I think, ma'am. October 11th. I
October you
think.
got to know the results.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
thesis NQT, how many rounds were there? The first
yeah.
round, right? That was the first round.
So while going to the descriptive exam, so we'll have I think 3 rounds. Basically, it's 4 rounds. So first round is aptitude, and then verbal ability.
Okay. So you
Then
are telling
logic.
about the sections in the first round,
First
correct?
round, yeah, ma'am.
Okay,
Logical
first round
thinking,
had four sections.
yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah.
First is aptitude, analytical reasoning, and verbal ability. And fourth one is coding round. So in the
Good.
coding round, they'll give out 2 questions. So we need to write a code in
Okay,
either
first tell about the
what.
first section, numerical ability.
Yeah, ma'am. They'll give questions on speed and time. Ma'am.
Yeah.
So, some of puzzles. Puzzles means clockwise and anti-clockwise direction diagrams. So
Okay.
they'll include those things in that section, ma'am.
Okay, so how many questions were there in the first
Ten
section?
questions.
Numerical.
10 questions, ma'am. It's
10
around 10
questions
questions.
and the time given was
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Sectional
10
time,
minutes.
right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Every
10 minutes.
section had separate time.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay. The what was the level of the questions?
So, it's like we are affiliated colleges. So I think what I thought that is it's somewhat difficult. So
You felt it was difficult.
being an affiliated college student, I thought that it was too difficult to me, but I
Okay.
solved my level best, man.
Okay, you could solve, still you could solve.
Yeah,
And was
yeah,
the time sufficient to solve
yeah.
the
Of course,
questions?
ma'am. It's sufficient to
Okay,
write.
okay. So numerical ability was quite okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, then next, second section,
Logical thinking, ma'am.
logical thinking. Okay.
Yeah.
Questions on which topics were asked?
Topics means so same question they will repeat like surveys.
Okay.
Survey, they'll display a picture, ma'am. So with that,
Okay.
they'll ask questions on that.
Data interpretation, right?
Yeah, ma'am. They'll ask questions on that.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Then questions from blood relations, coding, decoding.
No, ma'am. So this is quite simple, logical thinking. So only the
Okay.
thinking purpose, ma'am.
Okay. Like what topics were asked? Blood relations questions were not asked.
No, ma'am. Somewhat, no, ma'am. Not at all mentioned. So comparing to the aptitude section, it get easy.
It was easy.
Easy,
Compared to
ma'am.
the numerical ability, logical questions were quite
Quite
easy.
easy. Quite
How
easy.
many questions were there?
It's 15 questions. It's around 15 minutes.
15 minutes. So 15 questions, what topics were asked? Questions from what
No,
topics?
there is not at all topic, ma'am. They'll display diagrams. So, I mean,
So it was all about data interpretation
yeah,
in the logical thinking.
yeah, ma'am. They'll include those things in that, ma'am. Only to think
Okay.
diagram and to analyze the answer from that diagram.
Okay, fine. So that was also
Yeah,
easy.
I'm saying, ma'am, that is too easy. Will
It was
compare
too
to
easy.
yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then the next section, third section.
Verbal ability. It's all about English, ma'am. So it's also too easy. So they'll give passages and they'll give fill in the blanks and some of like simple present tense, past tense. So they'll ask questions on those things, ma'am. It is too easy.
It was too easy.
Being a BTech student, will solve those questions in section. Our time is 15 minutes. We'll solve it in almost 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, it was that easy. Okay, so how many questions were asked?
15 questions, 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay, in the first section, numerical ability, 10 questions were asked, and logical reasoning and verbal questions were 15. So everywhere you had at least 1 minute for every question.
Yeah, ma'am. Each question
time was sufficient.
Yeah, man, too sufficient.
Okay. Then the fourth section, you told it was coding, right?
Programming round.
Okay.
So they'll display 2 questions on the screen as a desktop. So we need to write the code in whatever the language we know. Either it may be C, Python, Java.
You can write it in any language.
Yes. So we can write it in LS. Yeah, ma'am. I did my codes in Python. So it get too easy. It takes little time to execute as compile.
Okay.
So I went through Python.
Okay.
I executed one code. That's it, ma'am.
So what was the level of the question?
Yeah, it's no, ma'am. It's difficult. I'm from EC, so
you felt it was a little difficult.
Yeah, but I solved it, ma'am.
You remember what questions were asked? The 2 coding questions.
Yeah. I know. I think it's like walls, ma'am. Interior walls, exterior walls. So interior wall paint is cost 18 rupees 73 prices. Interior wall cost 15 rupees 73 prices, ma'am. So they'll give a square feet, ma'am. How much total estimated cost we need to find.
Okay.
By using the interior and exterior walls. So another question is they display the numbers from 0 to 9. So we need to print if the 0, if they display 0, we need to print 9, ma'am. So first to last. So that's the one thing, ma'am.
Okay, that was another code. So both you could solve.
No. I just did only one thing.
You did only one.
So only it's take around 60 minutes, ma'am. So I have to analyze the question. I need to write the code. So it took around 60 minutes for me.
Okay, what was the time given?
60 minutes. 60 minutes.
So you did only one code in the given time.
Yeah, ma'am.
Still you got placed. Super. Yeah, you got the results of the first round in the month of September, right? October, you told.
October, ma'am. October.
Okay. So when was the second round?
Interview, I think November 18th, I think, ma'am. November 18th.
In the month of November, you had a second round. That was technical round.
Yeah, that's the interview round.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, please tell me about the second round.
Yeah, ma'am. So basically, it consists of 3 rounds: technical round, HR round, and MR round. Basically, my interview did in virtual. So they did the interview in the platform of Cisco. So actually, panel number is 40. In that panel, I am the last member to get interviewed by the persons. So I'm very much tense to get that. So I joined my interview at 5:30. So they haven't picked me around 5:40. I'm too much tensed. So at around 5:41, they picked me. and so she's a lady, and she graded me in a good manner. So
Okay.
she asked me to introduce yourself first. That was the
Okay.
first question for me to
Mhm.
in the HR round, ma'am.
Okay. So this was an
Yeah,
HR round or a technical round?
first it was a technical round, HR round, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, please tell.
Ma'am, they shuffled them, ma'am. They shuffled the.
Okay, it was
I
all
mean,
together
they, yeah, man.
on the
They
same
can't
day?
even mention what they can't even mention what round it is, ma'am. They just
Okay, okay.
did that.
Different HR was asking different questions.
Yeah.
Okay. First, they asked to introduce yourself, right? Tell me about
Introduce
yourself.
this. Yeah. I did that in a better way, ma'am.
Okay.
So later on, she asked me what was the project you done by in your academics. So I
Okay.
went through that topic, and so I did that in a great manner. So she never asked me questions on the project. So that's a
Okay.
good thing about me. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
So that was about HR round. Just it's two questions. It's interview
Okay.
is around 25 minutes, ma'am. The first
Okay.
5 minutes consist of ID verifications.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
yeah, ma'am. They did late around 10 minutes. They made it late for me.
Okay.
The HR asked, tell me about yourself, only one thing. And the next question is project.
Project. That's it.
Yeah, ma'am. Simple.
Nothing else was
But
asked.
HR only just two questions, ma'am. But MR and TI, they made lots and lots of questions on me.
Okay. Okay. Tell me about those questions.
Again, I moved on to the MR round, ma'am. So
Okay.
being an MR, so he asked me about the technical questions. What was
Okay.
what is Python? Which language do you know? Uh,
Hmm.
he asked that, and he also asked. He went through latest technologies. I
Hmm.
mean, IoT, artificial
Okay.
intelligence. He asked me
Hmm.
how many new technologies that you haven't known. So I mentioned I know 5 languages.
Hmm.
So afterwards, he asked me to tell about artificial intelligence, IoT, and cloud computing. So I went
Okay.
through those things, and it's around 5 minutes. I made explanation on those things.
Okay.
So later he asked who invented cloud computing, some all these questions. What are the
You could
platforms?
answer.
Yeah, ma'am. Eric Schmidt
Okay.
is
You told
a
everything. Whatever they asked, you
yeah,
were able to answer.
yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
So
So
they went to latest technologies. I did around 5 minutes explain. I gave a 5 minutes explanation. Later
okay.
they asked about do you know Python packages? Some of
Hmm.
technical questions. What is null pointer? What is C? Why we use only C? And why we use only Python in new technologies like artificial intelligence?
Hmm.
Why only Python?
Okay.
So yeah, ma'am. And also ask data types in Python. What are the data types in Python? What are the data types in C? What is the difference between C and Python? Why we
Hmm.
is compiler in C? Why the Python is faster than C? So they made lots and lots of questions on technical thing. I answered that, and
Okay.
also asked data types like lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries, and what are the
Hmm.
differences between these, and what they
Okay.
are capable to hold, which data types they'll hold that thing. For suppose list is like it can, it, I mean it handles both list,
Hmm.
tuples, integer, character, string, so that, and
Correct.
which data type will holds what. They asked me that,
Okay.
so I made a great explanation for them, man.
Okay. So many questions were asked.
Yeah, they struggled me a lot, man.
They troubled you a lot. Okay. Okay. Super. Super.
Yeah, man.
Then.
Then they'll move. Also asked them
Hmm.
like, do you have any backlogs or something?
Okay.
Man, so that's it about.
Hmm.
I don't. I'm saying no. They can't even mention what who they are. They are a
Okay.
HR.
Okay. You didn't
What?
even get to know who is
Yeah,
who.
yeah.
They
I
were
don't know
randomly
anything.
asking
Yeah,
HR
man.
questions, technical questions, everything.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Okay. So that was all about the round, or more questions were asked?
I think they asked me a lot, and of course I mentioned all those things. So,
Mhm.
so I missed a little. Yes, man.
Okay. So.
What is a null pointer, and why we
Okay.
use only null pointers in C? What's the use
Okay.
on that? So some pointers, they went through the pointers.
Mm-hmm.
So there are lots of questions asked me,
Okay. That's it. That's about
but
the second.
only two questions I haven't answered for them, ma'am.
Okay.
So
What were they?
what is the operator used to measure size. But I know the answer for that question, ma'am. But
Okay.
before that, I answered for all questions as in a quick manner. So
Okay.
I thought myself that I'm answering for all questions. So if I answer for these questions, they'll consider that he's answering for all questions. So I thought that it'll be a problem. So
Okay.
okay, that I just said sorry, sir. I'm
Mhm.
not sure about my answer. I just say that.
Okay.
Another question is Python packages. They asked me, do you know Python packages? They asked me that. So no, sir, I don't have any idea on that. I said,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah, ma'am.
So that was all about the second round.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So totally this went on for how many minutes?
It's around 30 minutes, ma'am.
30 minutes. So
30
second
minutes.
round's duration is around 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Okay. So when did you get to know the results of the second round? So totally how many rounds were there,
3
Virendra?
rounds, ma'am.
3
Technical
rounds.
round, HR round, and MR round. So
No. I asked like the first round.
only 2 rounds. Only
Only 2 rounds
descriptive,
were there.
and the next
Okay.
one is interview round.
Interview round.
In managerial round, she's also a lady. I think her name is Pushpa. I think I know that. She asked me, do you have any backlogs? I mean, do you have any standing arrears? She asked me, no, ma'am, I don't have any standing arrears.
Okay.
And also she asked, are you willing to relocate? She asked me, yeah, of course, ma'am, being a person in our organization, so I'm ready to relocate. It's like, yeah, I said that. So she replied with this simple smile, so we'll mail you.
Okay. So when did you get to know the results of the second round?
I mean, December 26th, I think.
December 26th, you got to know that you are shortlisted.
I think I don't know the exact dates. In the month of December.
In the month of December, you got to know that you are shortlisted.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so that was all about TCS interview process.
Yeah,
correct?
ma'am.
You told everything? Did you miss anything?
Yeah, no, ma'am. I mentioned all those things. Of course, it will be helpful to someone to have to prepare the things.
Correct.
The only thing is that it's a great initiative by the Quant Masters. It's great to have you also here.
Yeah. So any tips or suggestions you want to give to your friends who are trying to get placed in TCS?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure. Why not, ma'am? They are also my friends, right? So yeah, ma'am. Sorry. All with the other hands is done by of course with the professors. So with that, so interview is the only thing in our hands. So please try to prepare the things what you have known and go through the things what you know and get a expert on those things. So after that, go for the things what you haven't learned yet. So just make an idea on the things, whether C or a Python, the programming languages. Just you have to know about the basic things up to the OOPS concept or in C. So the list data types like integers. So just keep a little idea on those things. They'll never ask more and more. So they'll ask what we know that. So be confident while we delivering our words. So what we know, just try to deliver the words with a confident manner. So there's nothing to worry about it.
Yeah, just try to be confident and know all the basics about new technology,
programming languages and technologies.
Whatever you are not aware, have a basic idea of that.
Not only programming languages and all these things, you need to have a minimum sense on the academics. So whether if you are from a electronics engineering or else mechanical, so make a little idea on the topics or subjects what you haven't gone through. So just keep an idea on those things and make sure you have to good at your family. I mean, if they ask a question, introduce your family. So try to be confident and deliver the words about your family. So of course, we are a family member. We lived with them since for more and more years. So we know much more about those. So try to deliver the words in the confident manner.
Try to be confident when we are talking about our family members. Correct.
They also ask the questions on resume, that what we have mentioned in the resume. So please thorough at the resume. So whatever you have displayed on the resume, they'll go through only those things just I mean, be strong at your resume.
Okay.
And they'll also questions on your favorite subject, favorite places, favorite mobile, what are the things that you are using. And they'll also make questions on why, if suppose I am using Samsung mobile, so they'll make a question on Samsung. Why only Samsung? Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, in HR round, they asked me why TCS, why only TCS? What do you know about TCS?
Okay.
They asked me those things, ma'am.
Okay. Super. Yeah, so this was all about the suggestions you want to give it to your friends, correct?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Be
Thank
confident.
you so
That's
much.
it, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm sure students will find it very helpful. Your experience will be very helpful for them to crack TCS. Okay, Virendra, thank you for sharing your experience with us. And once again, congratulations for getting placed in TCS. We are really happy for you.
Ma'am, I also did a digital, ma'am.
Okay, you also cleared digital.
Yeah, no, ma'am. The results had to come.
Okay, you are still waiting for the results. Okay. Okay, very happy for you. I really wish you will get placed for that role as well.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Virendra. Thank you so much for sharing. So that was all about the interview experience with Virendra, his experience with the TCS. Okay, so I really wish I am sure you will find it very useful. So anybody else who has got placed in any company and is willing to share your experience with us, please use the link given in the description. Thank you. Bye, Virendra.
Bye, ma'am.